Hello friends, welcome once more to our channel, and we want to give official welcoming to our 12 days of Christmas. This year is so special for Jack and Jill of all trades because we are parents of a little J. Now we are three JJs, so we are parents and we wanted to do something special for our baby, something visual, and it's a warming, special, and super visual Christmas for him to enjoy. So we're starting today, and as you know, in the last video we show you decorating the tree. No, but not yet the final product. So we figured out that the best way to start the 12th day of Christmas is decorating the cocoa bar, as is requesting for our closest subbies. And families, they say, oh, I made a cocoa bar, we wanted to see videos of a cocoa bar, and here we are. So let's jump in. Here, this time, I'm using this real chocolate with sabor Latino, but I will be showing later more recipes, those days of Christmas, more recipes for the cocoa bar. So here, filling my containers with chocolate. Next time you remember I use cocoa, you can use whatever you want. So here we're decorating. You can use whatever kind of snow you want. In this time, I like glammy style, so I'm using Fox Fur white color. You can use in cream color you like, but white resemble the snow. You can use cotton snow as well. Sometimes cotton is easy because if you got kids, they can stay in there, the chocolate something, and you're gonna have any problem. But like this, or whatever case, you can use trays so they don't gonna stain. Here, I'm using the IKEA system that I designed, trying to look the perfect size, the perfect weight and size for everything fixed. Those mugs I found in Big Lots. They're so beautiful with the initials of our family. This tray is so beautiful. I'm putting everything together. Those apothecary jars I found in Home Goods, they're so really nice. This is beautiful cinnamon, everything. I just tested what I'm gonna put in this order. This beautiful mugs. They're not adorable. They're adorable. I love it. And they got lighting. They're welcoming. They say welcome. So I have to put it in the middle. That's a must. They make candy cans. So beautiful and sparkling. Yeah, those cookies. I handmade it. That's my handmade keys. And this marble tray that I found in Home Goods. This is a dumb cheese. And cheese pedestal, but I use it for cookies as well because it's so beautiful. Yeah, my candles. And let's put some accessory. Yeah. Music. Just gonna find an order. I need this order. Oh, this case so good. I love it. My husband love it. He'll watch TV and look that topper that I found in Michael's. Perfect. Oh, my candy house. Updating Michael's with lighting. In the snow they look better. They look real. Just testing. Look amazing, isn't? Let me know what you think. Yeah. But I just display when I got guesses. I mean, I don't use it that much when I hear. I don't need to make candies. Look, those packages, they so good, and it's a mugs for make brownies, brownies, mug for brownies. And if you just want to make cocoa, you just put one tablespoon of water and put 15 seconds on the microwave, and done. You enjoy your brownie, and you can use whatever kind of sprinkles you want. Those popcorns are so good. It's a keto something, but it's sweet and something. I always use popcorns when I'm gonna do a party like Winter Wonderland something. And this is what I was looking for, an environment like Winter Wonderland. Like really snow and cool, like it's really cool and everything had to look like this. So popcorns can be missed, and it's like sweet. It's so delicious. You really have to taste it. That's it. You really have to try it. Let's try how it's gonna go. At the beginning, I wanted like to put my beak. I printed something big, but I said there's no space for a beak, and it's perfect size. Everything looked pretty. Just now the decor, yes, some greenery, some shiny, so snowing greenery, candles. Let's turn on the candles. Now let's get ready for the montage and lightening. Yeah, turn on the lights. Let's set it. All those cookies are so nice. It's like German cookies. This is so nice, like cinnamon hazelnut, something good. More greenery. I tried those candies, but I don't like it at all, so I remove it. Candies ornaments. I don't want to put that matte red. At the beginning, I didn't want to put that matte red. I just wanted just white and silver. Now lightening. I love lightening. Let's do the montage with lightening. Give me the illusion like it's snowing for real. So that's perfect. So good. It's snowing. It's cool. Let it snow, baby. It's cool outside. Yeah. So everything is perfect. My candy comes. My chocolate, marshmallows, my toppers, my beautiful most, gotta find in Michael's, my shakers, my DIY stuff is cool, my buildings, my German Casanev's cookies, my handmade stars cookies, my icicles, my beautiful display, visual, beautiful for my baby. He really gonna enjoy. As I told you at the beginning, this Christmas gonna be focused on our baby. Our first Christmas our parents, so he really enjoyed that part. He enjoyed. And look at this. The house. Our reindeers, the beautiful reindeers. Yes, our chocolate chips, our cinnamons. If you got kids or you feel like had too much clothing, you can just put those reindeer are smaller. I had a bigger one. I just put in for the pictures, and then I put my little, super little. They don't. It's not. You don't wanna make a mess. I'm in troubles. When you get into chocos and nothing. Look, the beautiful house. Adorable. Love it. That was a nighttime. At nighttime when we are watching TV, we love to turn off of the lights of the house, so the display of the lightning is super beautiful. It's amazing, guys. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So we are there reading stories to the baby on the TV, on the trolls, drinking cocos, taking some snacks, and the displays is with our baby all the time. Want to see what he want to see. He's walking and want to see Miss Mary. So this is a daytime because we made a daytime and a nighttime. So a daytime I wanted to prepare for you at the morning because we are used to breakfast in my country chocolate, but this chocolate here is on the tablets. So I prep my recipe, and for me not spoil the fox, the snow, so I buy this beautiful Lazy Susan. How adorable it is. So you can use a tray or whatever. So you prep it. I can put in whatever you want. I don't like to put too much sweets. I don't like chocolate so sweet, so I don't like to put that much stuff. Just showing you how you can use it. So I use a little bit of everything. But I really don't use at the morning that much stuff. I'm using just a little bit of sprinkles and stuff like this, but Lazy Susan is something beautiful, and your kids you can prepare to your kids. If they're really small, obviously you're gonna prep to them. If they big enough, you know, they can prep. They're gonna have the trays. They don't gonna mess. You can use plastic containers, but you're gonna have an idea. You know, what you want to display for them. There's another containers that they sell like with the shape of the snowmans. You can use for your shakers, and that is fun as well for them. And the cotton snow that I said that you can use, and instead to use the apothecary glass jar, you can use the apothecary for the patties that they like plastic acrylic ones. So they plenty of ideas you can use and still have fun with your kids. And then after Christmas you just can throw, and you know, still have a beautiful Christmas. And the kids enjoy waking up and immediately see those beautiful things. Yeah, put the toppers you like for them. They're gonna enjoy the times with his parents, everything they want. Now you see the popcorns. Also, this is the day. If you believe at nighttime had more lightning than at daytime. At nighttime the light is twice that at daytime. At daytime the illumination is like not good. I don't know why. We don't know why, but it's beautiful. It's most beautiful and yeah. So that tray is just to prep for not get stained, that you remove and clean if you got the sprinkles, and I put it on the top, in the cabinet on the top, so everybody know we put it after they spread his cocos. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope giving some inspiration. Give comments down below. I hope you enjoy the final products. We think that is so beautiful, and it's like this that we conclude this first 12 days of Christmas video. Don't forget, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share the video with your friends. And tomorrow we will be sharing more videos. So see you back tomorrow with more videos of the 12 days of Christmas. Enjoy. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.